Bismillah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Epistemological method, classification of epistemological studies. Epistemological approaches to relationship studies fall into two broad categories: observational and experimental. In observational studies, the amount and distributions of disease within a population from person, place, and time are noted. In experimental studies, the investigators intervenes and actually changes one variable and observes what happens to the other. The investigators controls the condition. The epidemiologists try to relate the cases to defined population and search for those causes of diseases and modes of transmission, with a view to effect prevention and control by asking questions himself: what, when does the disease occur, where does the disease occur, who are the people affected, and why has it appeared, so what should be done to prevent or control or eradicate the disease. Study design. A set of defined steps required to carry out the research on a problem under this study. The design will define how study subjects are selected, method of sample size estimation, procedure of data collection, procedure of data analysis, types of statistical tests required. Two broad types of epistemology: descriptive epistemology and analytic epistemology. Descriptive epistemology, examining the distributions of diseases in a population and observing the basic features of its distribution: what, who, when, and where. While the analytic epistemology, investigating a hypothesis about the cause of disease, how exposures relate to disease, attempts to provide the why and how. Simply, in a descriptive epistemology, we will use what, who, when, and where, while in the analytical epistemology, we will use only why and how. Descriptive epistemology is the ancestor to analytical epistemology. Analytical epistemology study requires information to know where to look, know what to control for, develop viable hypotheses. Three essential characteristics of disease that we look for in descriptive studies are person, place, and time. Person, demographic characteristics, age, sex, race, and ethnic group, while biological characteristics, genetic predisposition, biochemical level of blood, including antibodies, enzymes, and parallel disease. Socioeconomic characteristics, social status, education, occupation, activity, personal living habits, smoking, diet, and exercises, risk-taking behavior. Geographic place, presence of agents or vectors, climate, location or sites or area, population density, economic development, nutritional practices, and medical practices. Time, calendar time, time since an event, physiologic cycle, age, time since birth, seasonality, chronological trends. This is the classification of epistemological this is the classification of epistemological research study. There is a two type of study. One is the descriptive research and another one is the analytical research. Analytical research further divided into two parts. This is the observational studies and experimental studies. Descriptive research is further divided. This is a population based and individual based. Population based study is further divided in ecological or co-relational study, while the individual based study is divided into case reporting, case series, cross-sectional surveys. Analytical research divided into two parts: observational and experimental or interventional. Observational study further divided into three parts. This is the cohort study, case control study, and cross-sectional study. While the experimental or interventional studies divided into further divided, this is randomized controlled trials and CASI. Design strategies and epidemiological research. Classification. This is a descriptive study, this is observational studies, and experimental or interventional studies. Study designs are descriptive studies. Number 1, population based, correlational or ecological. Number 2, case reports, case series. Third, cross-sectional surveys. Observational and analytic, case control study, cohort study. Experimental or interventional studies. Number 1, therapeutic or drug trial, and number 2, preventive trial. Objective at various levels. These are the study types, while these are the objectives. Descriptive studies, the objectives are knowing the frequency of diseases, knowing the distribution, developing the hypothesis. Observational studies, number 1, testing the hypothesis, and 2, establishing association. Experimental or interventional studies, number 1, strength of association and establishing the cause.